Hello everyone, it's Al from gmailfiend once again, and for this video I'll be showing you guys how to insert files from Gdrive here in Gmail. So what you have to do first is to of course access your Gmail inbox, and once you have done that, then you should be able to follow the steps of this tutorial. So over here just click compose. So you will be creating a new message for this one. So just maximize that, and let me just delete my default signature. So over here is an empty email body, and you want to insert files from Gdrive. What you have to do is to just refer to the icons below. So it's just beside the send button. So click the triangle icon. So this one is the Gdrive logo. So if you click that, then a pop-up will show up, and let me just click on this one. So insert. So as you can see, a file from Gdrive has been attached to the email. So you can do so multiple times. So for example, I want this spreadsheet, so just click insert, and there you go. So this works for any file type as long as it's uploaded in your Gdrive. So yes, that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you tune in for more.